Good morning, class. My name is Teacher Chris. Can everybody say, "Hi, Teacher Chris"? Okay, so I will be your teacher for math for today. Before we start our day, let us all stand up for our opening prayer. Let's put our hands together and bow our heads. Dear God, thank you for today. Thank you for waking us up and taking us to school. May you guide us throughout the day. Amen. Again, good morning, grade 1 and grade 2 pupils. So now, how are you today? I hope you're all doing great and having fun in the start of our class. Okay, now before we are going to start, we will have first our energizer. Can we all stand up, grade 1 and grade 2 pupils? M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math. M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math. Okay, very good. So now you can go back to your proper seats. Are you having fun, grade 1 and grade 2 pupils? That's great. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, now before taking your seats, make sure you arrange your chair properly and make sure there are no garbage under your chair. Okay? Okay, you may sit down and take your seats. So we will be having our attendance for today. For grade 1 pupils. Okay, I can see there are no absents for today. How about for the grade 2 pupils? Oh, that's great. You also have no absence for today. Very good. Alright, now we will be checking all of your assignments. For grade 1 pupils and for grade 2 pupils, pass your assignment in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. Okay. Alright, so I will be the one to check your assignment. Okay, now, before going to our new topic, let's have a review what we have talked about last meeting. Okay, can any of the grade levels can tell me what we talked about last meeting? Okay, for grade 2 pupils, Ella? Yes, very good. We have talked about the addition of numbers. How about for the grade 1 pupils? Yes, Andy? Very good. We are adding the whole numbers of a number. Okay, very good, everyone. So when I say 5 plus 1, what will be the answer? Yes, Andreas? Correct. It's 6. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Very good. Okay, when I say 6 plus 2, what's the answer or what's the sum? Yes, from the grade 1 pupils. Andreas? Correct. It's 8. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Very good, pupils. Alright, so now I will be teaching you a new song that is related to our lesson for today. So, let's begin. Okay, so that's a wonderful singing. So now, I will ask you a question, okay? Now, what is the joyous thing mentioned in the song? Can anybody tell me? Yes, from grade 2 pupils. Crystal. Very good. The joyous thing in the song is adding numbers. Okay, now, what numbers join together to make the number 2? Can anyone tell me? Yes, also from the grade 2 pupils. Okay, it's number 1. Very good. How about for the number 4? Can anyone tell me? Here from grade 1 pupils? Yes. Okay, it's number 2. Okay, how about for the joining of number 6? Can anyone tell me from the grade 2 pupils? Okay, very good. It's number 3. Okay, now how about for the last number, number 8? Yes, from the grade 1 pupils. Okay, number 4. Very good. Oh, how about for the number 10? Can anyone tell me? Yes, again for the grade 1 pupils. That's right, it's number 5. Okay, everyone, you did a good job. So now we will be having our new topic. Our new topic for today is addition with regrouping. Okay, let's start. Alright, so what we will be doing for today is, for the grade 1 pupils, they will be divided into pair, and you will be given an activity to be worked on pair. So this is your activities, A, B, and C. Okay, these are your activities. While for the grade 2 pupils, we will be having our presentation and our discussion and then our activity. Okay? Okay, so let's begin. Alright, so I have here a situation. Can you read, students? Can you see? Very good. Okay, now, as you can see, Lot was asked by her mother to pick some flowers in their garden. Then, she picked and placed 10 orange and 13 yellow flowers on her basket. After, she bring it to her mother. Okay, now, I will ask you a question. Okay, now grade 2 pupils. For the first question is, what was the mother of Lot asked her to do? Can anybody tell me from the grade 2? Yes, Crystal? Very good. Lot was again asked by her mother to pick some flowers in their garden. Okay, now for the second question, what did she pick? Yes, Ella. Alright, she picked 10 orange flowers and then 13 yellow flowers. Okay, last question. What did she do with the flowers? Yes, Andy. After she picked the flowers, she brought it to her mother. Very good. Okay. Alright, another question. How many orange flowers did she pick? Yes. Correct. She picked 10 orange flowers. How about the yellow flowers? How many? Very good. She picked 10 flowers. Alright. Okay, now we can go to the board and write the number sentence. I need volunteer. Okay, go on, Crystal. Very good. Now, how many flowers did Lot pick in all? 10 plus 13 is equals to 23. Very good. Alright, another question. What if Lot picked 109 orange flowers and 125 yellow flowers? What will be the sum? Yes, Crystal. Very good. We have 234 flowers. Okay, how many orange flowers are there in all? Yes, Ella. Yes, very good. There are 109 orange flowers. How about for the yellow flowers? Yes, Andy. Correct. We have 125 flowers. Okay. Okay. Now I have here the place value chart of 109 plus 125. And we have the sum, we have 234. Can you see, right? Okay, very good. So now, first question. If we add the numbers in the place value of ones, how many ones are there? Yes, Crystal. Very good. There are 18 ones. Now, second question. Should we write 14 in the place value of ones? Yes, no. Okay, the answer is no. For the third question, how many tens are we going to regroup? Look at the place value chart. Yes, Ella? Very good. We have 3. Okay, now what numbers are added in the place value of tens? Yes, Andy? Only number 1. Very good. Okay, now what is the sum of the numbers in the place value of 10? Yes, Krista. 5. Very good. Okay, so where does regrouping takes place? In the place value chart. Yes. Regrouping takes place in the place value of tens and hundreds. Correct. Okay. Last question. What is the sum of 109 and 125? Correct. The sum is 234, as we have seen here in the place value chart. Very good, students. Okay, I will now give you another example of numbers adding 3-digit numbers without the place value chart. Okay, here, look at the board. We have the numbers 364 plus 160 is equals to 524. Okay. Have you done checking? Very good. Okay, now, when does regrouping takes place in this new 3-digit numbers? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Andy. Correct, in the place value of hundreds. Very good. Okay, second question. In what place value 0 addend appear? The 0 addend. Yes, Crystal. Very good. In the place value of ones. Okay. Last question. What is the sum? Okay, yes, Andy. The sum is 524. Very good, pupils. Alright, so after we have discussed, do you have any questions or any clarifications? Okay, no more. So now we have understood about the adding of numbers with regrouping. Now I will tell you, how do you add numbers with regrouping? Yes, Ella. Very good. You add numbers with regrouping if you have 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Okay, since you have understood, we will be going now to our group activity. Okay, now all of the pupils in grade 2 will be divided into 4, and each group will be given a chart with number problem. Okay, we have the place value of hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, now you have to answer the following and then regroup if needed. Okay? In letter C, The group will also be given an activity envelope consisting of number problem. Okay? Alright, so since the grade 2 pupils will having their group activity, for the grade 1 pupils, I will be collecting the pair activity right now, and then we will proceed to our discussion, okay? Your activity, pass it in front. Yes, very good. Alright, so now we have our presentation and discussion. So get your popsicle stick and place one popsicle stick on your desk or table, then put another one on your, put another one popsicle stick beside your first popsicle stick. Okay. Now, please observe your popsicle stick. So, I will ask you a question. If there is one popsicle stick and another one popsicle stick, how many popsicle sticks are there? Yes. Very good. We have 2 popsicle sticks. Okay. Second question. What is the number sentence? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes. Very good. It's 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Okay. So now, what are the addends? Yes. Okay, it's 1 plus 1. Now, what is the symbol that we used? Yes, Phoenix. The symbol that we use is the plus sign. Correct. Okay, another question. What is the sum? Yes, Samantha. Correct. The sum is 2. Okay, now is it easy to add 1 and 1? Yes, very good. That's great. Alright, now in groups, you do this using your popsicle stick to show addition combination. Here we have 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 4 plus 2, and 7 plus 3. Okay? Very good. Okay. Now, are you having fun adding one digit and another digit numbers? Yes, it's so much fun. That's great. Alright, now, how do you add a 1 digit to another 1 digit number? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes. Very good. You add 1 digit to another 1 digit to find the sum. Okay, very good. Alright, so since you have understood the addings of numbers, we have a group activity. We will be doing a group activity which consists of A and B. So for the A, the pupils will be divided into 4 and you will be given activity sheets. For letter B, each group will make combinations of numbers with the sum of. For group 1, we have the sum of 6. For group 2, we have the sum of 7. And for group 3, we have the sum of 8. And for group 4, we have the sum of 9. Okay, so the group output will be collected after. Okay? Okay, very good. Since the grade 1 pupils will be doing their group activity, the group will present their output by saying, adding numbers is fun, and share their answers to the class. Okay, grade 2 pupils, you may start. Okay, everyone, can you please get 1/4 sheet of paper and then answer the number problem that I have presented on the board. Okay, for grade 1, can you see? Here we have add, then write the sum. Okay? And for the grade 2 level, we have find the sum. Okay, very good. Your time starts now. Alright, since we have done answering, now let's get our assignment notebook and copy the assignment I have placed on the board. So this is for the grade 1 pupils and this is for the grade 2 pupils. Okay? Alright, very good. So that's it for today, everyone. Thank you and I'll see you next meeting. Goodbye!